हाय ऑल, मैं निशा आप सबका निशा किशोर मेरी रसोई में स्वागत करती हूँ. सो टुडे व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू मेक समथिंग वेरी special. We are going to make a combo dishes today. One is miryala charu, that is pepper rasam, and the other is Telangana mutton fry. But be with me to the end to follow the instructions carefully. It's a very simple and a very easy and a very delicious recipes. And if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification wala button, that is the bell icon, to be notified whenever I upload a new recipe. But before we begin, let's see what are the ingredients that we will be needing for my recipe. So let's see what are the ingredients we will be needing for making miryalu charu, that is pepper rasam. So this is a very simple and easy recipe. Be with me till the end and you will really enjoy it. Let's see what are the ingredients that we will be needing for making pepper rasam. Here I have 2 tomatoes which I have cut into quarters, 1 big lime-sized ball of lime, half a bunch of coriander seeds, 2 green chilies cut into half, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 big heap teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 10 cloves of garlic. Garlic and pepper are very important in this recipe. 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and teaspoon of salt. So let's start the preparation. So in this vessel we will add the curry leaves, the green chilies, the tomatoes, the coriander leaves, the tamarind, the red chili powder, the turmeric powder, and the salt. Now what we will do is we'll take a pestle and in this we will roughly grind the peppercorns first. Now you can see our pepper is roughly pounded. To this I will add the garlic cloves and again pound it roughly. It shouldn't be powdered very fine. You should get the grains of the pepper and the garlic grains. The garlic should be pounded like this. It is just to remove the aroma and the flavor of the garlic. Now this we will add to this mixture in the pan. To this we will add 1 liter of water. And we will stir it once and boil it on a medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes till it starts bubbling, but it shouldn't boil over. Pepper rasam is nicely done. I will dish it out into a bowl and then temper it. And I will show you what are the ingredients that we will be needing for tempering the pepper rasam or miryala charu. It out. Look at the lovely color and the aroma. It's just, yummylicious. You try it out. Now I'll get the tempering ready for the miryala charu. Now to temper the rasam, we will heat a pan. To this, I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and wait for the oil to heat up. I will add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, the curry leaves, the red chili and the crushed garlic and allow it to heat up. Fry it till the garlic turns nice and brown and then now we will temper the rasam with this mixture. And cover it. See what are the ingredients that we will be needing for our Telangana style fried mutton. This is 300 grams of mutton with bones, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is homemade garam masala powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil. So this I'll be showing it to you in step 5. This is the first step to cook the mutton. Now we will take a pressure cooker. In that we will add the mutton. I've added the mutton into the pressure cooker. Now I will add the red chili powder, the garam masala, the turmeric powder, the salt, the ginger garlic paste, and the oil. I'll mix it well and cook it again on a medium low heat till I get about 4 whistles. This mutton dish goes very well with our pepper rasam. The ingredients that we will be needing for our mutton, Telangana style mutton. For tempering the Telangana style mutton are 1 tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds, 1 green chili slit in half, about 10 cashew nuts cut into half, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 3 red chilies, 1 crushed garlic, half a bunch of coriander leaves crushed, and 1 small onion chopped fine. So let's start the preparation, the tempering. We will heat a pan. To this I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and wait for the oil to heat up. In this I will add the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds, the curry leaves, the red chili, and the crushed garlic, and allow it to heat up. We'll fry it till the garlic turns nice and brown, and then we will. To this I will add the cashew nuts and fry for 2 minutes. Now I will add the green chilies and the onion and fry till they turn nice and golden brown. Our cashews and our onions are browning nicely. To this I will add the chopped coriander leaves and fry it for about 2 more minutes. To this I will add the mutton. Now to this tempering I will add our pressure cooked mutton. Mix it well, fry it for about 30 seconds more, and then we will have it. Now mutton is done and ready. We'll serve it and we will have it. Telangana style fried mutton is ready. We'll dish it out and we will have it. देखिए अपना our Telangana style fried mutton is done and ready. We will have it and you also try it out and do let me know how it turns out. Now you've seen how easy it is to make the Miriyala Charu, that is the pepper rasam, and the Telangana mutton curry. Very easy and very delicious. Do try it out and do leave a comment in the comment section on how it turns out. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification wala button. And if you like my recipe, please do leave a comment in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe, but you have to go out to take the necessary precautions.